The trick Roznighka has deep roots in Ukrainian folk culture, particularly in traditional Cossack dances. Its origins are linked to the martial arts of the Cossacks, where physical strength, agility, and endurance played a crucial role. In dances, this move became a unique reflection of Cossacks' bravery, energy, and vitality. To perform this trick, you will need a powerful jump, strong ankle stability, and good flexibility in your fold. However, having a full split is not required. Step 1. Lean forward. Sit on the floor and focus on the upper part of your body, keeping your arms straight up, trying to reach your feet with your hands. Step 2. Side battements. Raise your arms above your head and slightly to the side. Try to reach your hands with your feet while leaning your torso parallel to the floor during the kick. Step 3. Jump and fold. Jump and try to bring your knees to your chest while in the air. Step 4. Advanced step. When you feel confident with your jump, try to reach your hands with your feet as in step 1. Be cautious. This is a challenging trick. Don't get discouraged if you can't do it on the first attempt. Some dancers spend years mastering this move, so don't worry if you haven't mastered it yet. Focus on the essentials and you will get there.